Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we'll understand how to convert rows into columns and columns into rows with the help of Transpose command in Excel. So let's take one example in the workbook. In the second column, we are having the name, that is Joe, and the salary, dearness allowance, HRA, transport allowance, and special allowance of Joe. Then for Michael, then for Peter, then Douglas. And here we are having the salary grades. Now we want to convert this rows into columns, and these names which are in columns should appear as rows. So first of all, select it, right click, copy. Now click on paste spatial, again paste spatial, and make sure that you click on transpose. Click OK. Done. You can see that the columns have converted into rows and rows have converted into columns. So this is how you can transpose the data in Excel. For more videos on Excel, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can also refer my playlist in which I have uploaded tutorials on data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. Please don't forget to like and share my videos. You can also follow me on different social medias, link given in the description box.